Hi, and welcome to Integrity Sales and Services. Dave and I are going to do a video for you of our 24-foot stainless steel single axle single hopper bottom grain trailer. Dave, why don't we go ahead and do the tarp demonstration while we're at the back here, and then we'll continue with the process here. We have a crank lock roll tarp system. We actually use a stainless steel pipe in the roller for the roller tube, and it's ground operated, very easy to do it from the ground, very quick. It has a return bungee cord on the front, and now that he's got the tarp locked open, I'm going to go ahead and continue up the ladder and let you see a nice view of the tarp bows, since this plays a major factor in our trailer strength. If you'll take a note here, our tarp bows are not just your typical hoop that holds up the tarp. These are actually part of the structure of the trailer. They're built like a truss, and they do a major factor in keeping the trailer strong. Looking down from the top, you can see the hopper door partially open there, and there's absolutely not a single ledge or crease in this thing that will hold grain. You put her in the top and open the door, and she's going out the bottom. Let's go ahead and get off the trailer here. Dave will close the tarp up, and we'll continue with the video. While he's doing that, take note at the back panel. We have a solid back panel with sealed beam LED light system. We have the standard ladder in the back and the front. And on the top tarp cap, I'm going to walk up close here. You can see the vent up here, and that's so that you can unload at an elevator as fast as the door will let it out and not worry about collapsing your tarp. Just open her up and let her go. With that, we're going to move on down. I'm going to give you a view of the air ride suspension here. You can see obviously everything is brand new. We offer the trailers with rebuilt and or new suspensions, and call for more information on pricing on that. The big thing I want to point out here, you're not just looking at the typical hopper trailer. Here you have a trailer that's built and designed by farmers for farmers with rust factor in mind. Every panel in this trailer is cut, butt welded up, solid. There is no overlapping of metal in this entire trailer. And on this particular model, every piece of sheet metal, including the slopes, hoppers, sidewalls, front and back, is all 409 stainless steel material. You buy it once and your grandkids will still have it when you're gone. That's what this trailer is about. Now we're going to move on down to the bottom section, show you the 2-speed 50,000 pound landing gears. Dave's going to demonstrate how nice and easy these hopper doors work. You can actually see that thing spin, and he's going to run it the other way, and actually it bounces right against the stop and bounces back. Look how nice them actually spin. You can just run them all the way open and closed effortlessly with one hand, even when they're loaded. With that, we're going to give you a front view of the 22.5 new tires, the single axle suspension kit, ABS brakes, and I'll give you a view of the structural bracing underneath our slopes. Again, this is a very critical factor to get that weight distribution down on the suspension and off the sidewalls, which prevents all the breakage. Here's a back view of the hopper with the door in its open position, and the door is constructed of a double track rack and pinion, and it's absolutely forced to run parallel. It cannot bind, twist, or cock. Although this creates more manufacturing cost, without it, if you can't open the door, the trailer is worthless. I'll get you a nice view of the front of the hopper. And again, take note around our knock rails, everything is solid welded. Looking in above the fifth wheel plate, this is second to none when it comes to structure. We have 3 4x6 box tube cross members going all the way across, supporting our 3/8 thick fifth wheel plate material. And everything is ran in sealed beams, harnesses, and air lines run through the tube, and everything is sealed and moisture proof. You're looking at the bottom inside of underneath the front slope right now is the area we are viewing. With that, we'll step on out and continue a nice side view of the trailer coming into the front. Notice the standard front ladder and tarp cap as well. With that, we're going to move on around the front of the truck here and let you see the passenger side. Here's the opposite angle view. We'll walk slowly down the side here and let you see the construction of the sidewall. Take note, everything is cut, fit, butted up, and solid welded all the way around the trailer. Close-up of the suspension axle and the rims, and aluminum wheels are optional. I'm going to give you an up-close on our side rail to let you see what I'm talking about on solid welded. Moving along here, where it comes up to the post and up the post, you'll see nothing but solid welded construction. With that, I'm going to back off here and give you a reverse view looking at it from the back passenger side corner forward. And that brings us back to where we started. If you have any questions, please give us a call. And remember, we offer this trailer in mild steel and or stainless. Prices are changeable, of course, based on length, width, and height. Just give us a call for your next custom trailer. Thanks for shopping Integrity Sales and Services.